Really?
You missed. Missed again.
Alert, patient Gamma 32 is loose. All patients please remain in your cells.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for a deletion, I can tell you I don't have money, but what I do have are a very particular set of sniping skills. Skills I have acquired over a very long sniping career. Skills that make me a nightmare for streamers like you.
What is that using a culture? We are check only you can say as a
Yeah, this is my fucking TTS tutorial under the stream, if you're not aware. 13,000 views. Fucking annoying. Alright, now I've seen it at least. Bloodbridge, Cord App, Sync XC, Kojokes, Wood Raider, Ford, SM,